back, I'm Sowson. Today is vegetarian. I'm going to show you how to make hummus, high in fibre, low in fat. It's a meal that you can have for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and you don't have to feel sorry for yourself. We are working with amazing ingredients. It's your good old chickpeas. I'm going to be putting 2 cans of these chickpeas with a little bit of tahini, lemon juice and salt, and then dress it up. And it'll only take you 10 minutes. First things first, we're going to roast up a handful of pine nuts so we can dress the hummus. Here we go. Okay, handful of pine nuts, touch of olive oil, and let's start roasting. Okay, all finished, nice and brown. That's what we're after. Okay, we've got 2 cans of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, squeeze of lemon, and a touch of salt. Taste test. It's good, really good. Looks so creamy, it's gorgeous. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. Gonna dress it up now with a little bit of these hummus, a little bit in the middle. Touch of paprika, give it a little bit of colour and flavour, and of course our pine nuts, and last but not least, a little bit of garnishing, parsley, drizzle of olive oil. Okay, we've got our flat bread. This is the perfect bread for hummus. I have cut it up, and at any time, all you need to do is rip, fold it over, and dip in. What can I say? This is really good stuff. Until next week, there's plenty more meals coming your way. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.